Hello friends, welcome to our channel once again. We are back with another exciting travel series. This time we are traveling from the Swami Vivekananda Airport, Raipur, to the Changi Airport, Singapore, via Kolkata. The flying time from Raipur to Kolkata is around 1.5 hours. Our flight is scheduled to leave at 5:15 in the evening from Raipur. We shall be reaching Kolkata by 6:40 in the evening. After a 1 hour 40 minutes layover at Kolkata, we shall be boarding our flight to Singapore at 8:20 pm. The flight to Singapore will take around 4.5 hours. Singapore is 2.5 hours ahead of us, so we shall be reaching Singapore at 3:15 am Singapore time. We have reached Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, and are proceeding for our immigration at the international terminal. Right now we are flying in the Singapore sky and will be landing on Singapore in a short time. It's around 1 am according to our biological clock, but in Singapore it's 3:30 in the morning. We are tired and sleepy, and after a long journey, we badly need some rest now. But at the same time, we are also very excited about what's in store for us in Singapore. Finally, after a 4.5 hours flight, we are landing at Changi International Airport, Singapore. We are walking towards the arrival terminal for our immigration. This is Terminal 1 with the famous Jewel, which is worth visiting. We had planned to visit the Jewel and its famous fountain right before leaving for the city. But it was to our bad luck and incomplete research before traveling that we later found out that the Jewel remains closed between 11 pm and 11 am. So we would not be able to visit Jewel just then. As travel documents, we are carrying our passports, visa, air ticket and hotel reservation. Visa charges were 5,000 rupees per person and we got the visa in 5 days time. Singapore tourist visa is valid for 2 years for multiple entries. Before immigration, we had to fill up the online declaration for the Singapore arrival card. Finally, we have signed in Singapore. We have booked a cab via cab booking app called Gojek. The cab charge from airport to our hotel is 20 Singapore dollars. Regarding currency, we are carrying Singapore dollars in cash. We did not go for any forex card. We had activated international usage in our international debit cards, but we don't intend to use these cards because of the currency conversion charges involved in each and every transaction. We have also activated 10 days international roaming in our Jio SIMs at a charge of 2,499 rupees per SIM, which includes 100 minutes calls per day, both local in Singapore and to India, free incoming calls, 100 SMS per day and 250 MB data per day. As our arrival time is at odd hours, we had booked our hotel 1 day extra so that we can have a smooth check-in so early in the morning. We have booked our hotel in Ferrar Park, which is close to Little India and is 20 kilometers from the airport. Hotels in Singapore are generally pretty expensive. We had to do a thorough research before booking an economical hotel with a suitable standard. Our stay will cost us Singapore 700 Singapore dollars for 7 days. We are now approaching the Marina Bay area where the famous Singapore Flyer, Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, Observatory Deck and Marland Park are situated. On our left, we can see the Singapore Flyer, the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. We are now in Little India and will reach our hotel in a short time. I hope this video has been informative. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our new exciting contents. Stay tuned to our channel for upcoming episodes on Singapore, where we shall be visiting exciting places. Till then, stay safe, happy traveling.